What's up, crew? It's your girl Lauren here, and I'm coming to you with another quote of the day. That's right. Today's quote is, if you always keep your face towards the sunshine, the shadows will fall behind you. That's by Walt Whitman. What does that say to you? It could mean a lot of different things, but what it says to me is that we need to embrace a more positive mindset. So it doesn't mean that there's not going to be challenges, because there are. It doesn't mean that we should ignore the challenges, because that's not going to happen either. But what can we do is we can reframe our mind so those challenges don't seem so bad. Okay, now let's look at just the sunshine component of it. What does that sunshine mean to you? Okay, sunshine could be things that make you happy, being around people that bring you joy. It could be small goals, hobbies, things that just make you happy. Okay? Keep your eye on the ball there. Do things, spend time with all of those things that make you happier. That's your sunshine. When you talk about the shadows, what's the shadows? We want them to fall back. Okay? Shadows are things that don't make you feel great. People who don't make you feel great. It could be criticism towards yourself. It could be criticism from others to yourself. It could just be a multitude of things that continuously are trying to bring us down. So those are going to be there. Nasty people are going to be there. Unkind people are going to be there. Self-doubt going to be there. Try to reframe, try to refocus, try to spend more time on the sunshine. Okay? It's not easy. So what can we take away from this? Maybe you don't know what your sunshine is. And that's okay. Because all of these small things that we identify are going to get us from point A to point B. Okay? So maybe it's you looking into things, trying new things that might make you feel happy. Maybe you don't end up liking them. Maybe you don't want to spend a whole lot of time doing them. You don't want to invest in them. Okay, it could be learning a new skill set. It could be identifying a new goal that you want to crush. Whatever those are, make those small steps. I don't know why I'm doing this, like a bunny. You want to make those small steps to get from point A to point B. That's it. What are some practical tips you could do? Maybe focus on your breathing. Think about it. Maybe it's practicing some mindfulness. Maybe it's showing gratitude towards your day or to others. Maybe it's journaling. There's a lot of different things that you can do to get from point A to point B. It doesn't mean that there's not like an A and a half somewhere that we're going to spend a lot of our days in. But guess what? We're working towards that. We acknowledge that. We want to do better. So that's the quote of the day. Stay beautiful and have a blessed day.